Understanding everyday English. Screw on the lids. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might encounter in daily life. Screw on the lids. This phrase is a great example of how English often uses simple words to describe specific actions. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Screw on the lids is a phrase that combines two simple words, screw and lids. Let's look at each word separately. Screw. This word can be both a noun and a verb. As a verb, which is how it's used in our phrase, it means to rotate something typically round or cylindrical. Lids. Lids are the covers or caps that you put on top of containers, like jars or bottles. When put together, screw on the lids means putting the lids back on containers and rotating them until they are tight and secure. This phrase is often used in contexts where someone is sealing containers. Here are a few examples. 1. In the kitchen. After making jam, you might need to screw on the lids of the jars. 2. In everyday tasks. If you're packing a bag and have a water bottle, you'd want to make sure you screw on the lid tightly to avoid spills. 3. In instructions. A manual for assembling a product might tell you to screw on the lids of various compartments. Understanding this phrase can help you follow instructions more accurately and communicate effectively in everyday situations. When learning this phrase, be mindful of these common errors. 1. Don't confuse screw on with screw in. Screw in usually refers to inserting something by rotating, like a screw into a wall. 2. Using screw on for non-rotating actions. Remember, screw on specifically involves a rotating motion. For actions like placing a hat on your head, we wouldn't use screw on. That's all for today's lesson on screw on the lids. We hope this video has made this common English phrase clearer to you. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details in everyday expressions. Stay tuned for more insights into English language learning. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.